Hi, I'm Will from LundHalsey, and here we do control room furniture. It's not just about the product itself, it's also about the design service. So if someone was to come to us with a project, they'd often give us a room plan, some equipment lists. We'll then draw that up in 3D technical drawing format. We'll also do some 3D renders and eventually get to the stage where we build their product. Everything we do is manufactured in the UK. So we offer free of charge design workshops where we often have our international customers come fly in. We collect them from Heathrow Airport. We then take them to our factory where they get to see how the things are made, and they also get to use our demo room and look in more detail about what their specific needs are. Once the project gets a little bit further down the line, we also offer a factory acceptance test so they can actually come and see their console in the flesh once it's been built and make any small changes they wish to make. What you're looking at right now is a height adjustable console. So you can sit, stand, or just adjust the height depending on your height, because everyone has obviously different heights and need to sit at different levels. I personally am 6'4", some people are not blessed with this height. We have adjustable monitor arms, as you can see here, so you can bring your screens forward. You can have multiple screen configurations, so you can have 2-tier stacked. We also offer monitor stacks as well behind the console, so you can have a video monitor wall, which can also be height adjustable. There are various different types of personal power, so that's data, HDMI leads, RJ45s, and power. You can also obviously have that in Shuko or US style NEMA as well. There's cable access through here, so you have brush strips as well, but that also gives you access to the base of the console. So all the cable management is nice and hidden away, soft close feature there. So this is just a single operator console which we offer, but we also, we've done projects where there are up to 150 people in one room. We actually recently did a project in the Middle East that had 240 operators in one room. So it's anything from a single operator at home wanting to do some editing to a control room that governs the whole of a country's border. So if you want to find out more information, please go to lundhalsey.com or find me on LinkedIn, Will Lund. Thank you.